Welcome to Gadget Guru, where we bring you the best of the tech world. Today, we're taking a look at Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Is this the phone of the future? Let's find out. And as always, the link to this product is on the comments section below. This link will give you a better description and details about the product. Do well to use the link before purchasing this product. Samsung continues to impress with premium materials and a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. The Ultra's smooth, curved edges and frosted glass finish scream luxury. The design remains mostly unchanged, but there's a subtle refinement in the look and feel. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch QHD Plus display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just scrolling through social media, this screen is an absolute showstopper. This phone's camera setup is a beast. With a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 10x optical zoom, and advanced AI, the S24 Ultra pushes mobile photography to new heights. Whether you're snapping ultra-clear landscapes or zooming in for incredible detail, this camera delivers. Check out this 100x space zoom. Look how much clarity we're still getting. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the S24 Ultra handles everything you throw at it with ease, from demanding games to multitasking between apps. And with the massive 5,000 mAh battery, you can expect all-day performance with support for fast charging, giving you 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Samsung's One UI 6 brings even more customization options and smoother transitions. Plus, the S Pen integration lets you take notes, doodle, and navigate with even more precision. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is the ultimate flagship for 2024. With its incredible display, powerful cameras, and smooth performance, it checks all the boxes for tech enthusiasts and power users. But with a price tag of over $1,200, it's definitely an investment. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy S24 Ultra worth it? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Gadget Guru for more reviews on the best tech in the world. See you next time.